Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Skillzy doing an intro for this video because I kind of fucked up in the actual video, and I just want to say thank you guys for all the support you guys have been showing on my recent shoe video for the sixes, and also on my YouTube shorts and my TikTok. It means the world to me, and I'm gonna keep doing these kind of videos, and I'm gonna be adding a little Valorant here and there. And also, I just want to say excuse the quality of the video for today. It's kind of meh because the lighting was kind of bad, but besides that, I was kind of sick. So yeah, so enjoy today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bang. The white Oreo box right here. So yeah, it's got two different names, white Oreo and white tech. So whichever you prefer, whatever you want to call it. White tech just sounds so weird to me, but so we're gonna call it white Oreo. So right off the bat, guys, we do have this special box. Sometimes sixes will come in this box depending of how limited or how cool or how special the shoe release is. So for this one, it is a special release box that comes with the white tech or white Oreo, and it's just basically to match the colorway. It was a really hyped shoe, so a lot of people did want this one, and it also came with special packaging, the white top with the original cement bottom, or Oreo bottom you want to call it, for retros, which is a pretty cool. This white is after the shoe colorway, so it's going to be a white with the red, the hint of red. Now this shoe, I heard, is a really nice shoe. The material is really nice on it. A lot of my coworkers said the material is really dope on it, so we're gonna check this out. This double layer wrapping is a cement, wrapping, and the white paper wrapping. Some retros don't come with this, but some do, and this one does come with it. Like the electric green, it did come with the cement wrapping. So yeah, some do, some don't. This one has a wrapping, so we're gonna get right into this one. So this is gonna be the white Oreo Retro 4, and as you can see right off the bat, this material is really tumble. Damn, this material is really tumble. Holy shit. The material is so nice on these. Now, the one thing I will say that's bad about these is it's an all-white shoe. That's literally its only con. It is an all-white shoe, so it's gonna easily get really dirty. The netting is gonna get yellow pretty fast. The laces as well. If you take good care of the shoe, it will not yellow as quick as you think, but it will yellow over time. Give it probably a year or two, it's gonna start yellowing. But the inside of the shoe is really nice. It's got a satin material on the inside. It's a pretty dope detail to it. I really love how this satin material on the inside shines really good. It's really nice. Holy shit. Probably one of my favorite parts about this shoe. Next thing I noticed is the tongue. Some retro 4s, or most retro 4s, do have like a little ticket, or like a little, what do you call this right here? The little thing right here. It's like a little patchwork, or for the retro 4s. This one doesn't. This one actually just has the Jordan symbol on it, which is pretty cool. I think it's pretty sick. I love it. Now, as for the Oreo bottom, or the cement bottom, this is pretty dope. It's a pretty good material. Mine sadly has a little bit excess glue right here, which is fine. I don't really care. But overall, this shoe does have really good qualities to it, and it's a pretty good made shoe. The quality of it is really tumble, really good leather. The inside of it is just really nice. I can't, this catches me off guard. It's so nice. Just how satin, how shiny it is, how shiny this inside part is. It's really nice, honestly. In photos, it's gonna look really fucking good. So this one's pretty nice as well. Same thing, buttery material. I feel like this one's a lot buttery, or what the fuck. This one has a lot more smoothness on the leather. Hella tumble. Oh yeah, this shoe is hella tumble. What the fuck. This shoe is really nice. Honestly, the shoe is already right off the bat, not even trying it on, it's gonna be a 10 out of 10 in my opinion. 10 out of 10, definitely. For me, it's gonna be a 10 out of 10. This shoe is a really nice shoe to begin with. It's just really nice, material of it, how tumble it is. The colorway is just so clean. You cannot go wrong for this shoe for the summer or back to school. If you have this shoe or when you get back to school, it's gonna be a dope shoe. So now that you have the shoe like this, really you're practically done with the way I lace it. It's just the reason it's super laced and all funky and messy like this is because once you put your foot in, this is gonna stretch out, and this is gonna like, so when you put it in, I don't know how to explain it. So right now it only has a shoe form, right? It has a little plastic shoe form. So once you put your foot in, it's gonna adjust to your foot, and after that you can just lace it up to your footing. And if your foot's a lot bigger than this, then obviously it's gonna like stretch out a little bit more, and it's gonna leave it not as loose. But if your foot is just the right size, it's gonna loosen up to a little bit, so where it's not super messy and it's just right. I will show it once I do put it on and do the on feet. You're gonna see how clean it looks. So we're gonna do that with the other one as well. And yeah, basically that's just how you do it. This is the factory lacing system right here, and then this is right after you lace it. It'll look better once you put your foot in, of course. That's just because the laces are all loosened up and they don't have any like adjustments to it. So done and finished with the lacing that I do, and honestly I think they both look really amazing. And I think out of every retro, I think this is probably one of my favorite retros as well, besides the original Cement 4, right? I think the colorway is just nice as well, super sleek, super nice, nothing too fancy, nothing too not fancy. And the satin material was a really good detail to the shoe, in my opinion. And I believe overall this shoe is going to resell for a lot. Now I did cop it for about $142 or about so, or like, you know, retail price as well. So if you do cop a pair, let me know if you think if the shoe is worth copying for retail, or if the shoe is only worth copying for under retail, or if it's only worth copying over retail. So if the shoe is a retail or under retail or over retail or resale price shoe, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you will pay resale for this shoe, or if you wouldn't pay resale on only retail and below for this shoe, because I think this shoe is reselling for almost $300 now. So that is a lot, and I think for this shoe it is probably a good price just because the quality of it is really good. So overall, this shoe is a 10 out of 10 for me. I wouldn't pay resale, I would pay retail in my opinion, but the shoe overall is a really nice shoe, 10 out of 10. So if you do manage to get your hands on a pair for retail or around there, I think you should, because it's a really good shoe and you don't want to pass on it, because I think in a year or two this shoe is going to be a really expensive shoe, probably around $400 or if not more. So I think if you can cop it right now, you should, and if you sleep on it, then you're gonna like regret it in the future. So 10 out of 10 shoe for sure. I'll be wearing these a lot, not a lot, but you know, to work and shit. You know, work is clean. We don't really dirty our shoes, but you know, yeah. So I'm gonna be wearing this shoe for 2021 in summer, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you guys found this video useful or helpful in any way, shape, or form, if you guys did like the shoe, let me know in the comments down below as well. This is the white Oreo white tech retro 4. So if you guys did enjoy the shoe, if you guys do like it, let me know. And we're going to be getting onto the sneaker review on feet. So we're going to see how the shoe looks on feet, and let me know what you guys think. And that would be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys found this video useful or helpful in any way, shape, or form, let me know in the comments down below. And if the shoe is a cop or drop in your opinion, let me know as well. So I hope you guys do enjoy the on feet, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.